What's going on, Reshoevenation? Johnny Bubbles back with another Shoe Care Academy video. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to clean up these Off-White Sail 5s that we've actually been getting a lot of requests on how to clean it. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I've never cleaned this shoe, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. But I am gonna be using our Artist Series kit. Now, if you haven't seen this kit already, guys, this is a special kit. We teamed up with a local artist named Antoinette Colley to design this kit. And one of the cool things about it is it comes with a sleeve here that you can actually cut out and frame because the artwork is on the box itself. So I highly recommend you going over to Reshoevenation.com, picking it up, and use my promo code that is in the description below. But without further ado, let's get bubbly.
The new cut does you well, Johnny.
You like it? Bro, you know, it was time for a change. You can go ahead and just call me Johnny Tatum. Yo, Jacob, real quick, pull up a little photo of Channing Tatum right here, bro. Side by side, 3, 2, 1, bloop. Hispanic version of Channing Tatum, you know what I mean? And I dance like him too. You see me stomp the art, step up. Ooh, for before and after purposes, as always, I'm gonna put the left shoe to the side. Now, before I start cleaning, guys, let's talk about this Artist Series kit a little bit more. Let me go ahead and open it up and tell you what comes in it. So the Artist Series kit comes with all 3 brushes, our stiff, our medium, and our soft, the 4-ounce bottle of solution, microfiber towel, the laundry bag, a pair of shoe trees, and the water and stain repellent. Now, this box is a great deal, and as I mentioned, I do have a promo code in the description below. Save 10% off, so I highly recommend you taking advantage of this kit before it sells out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the side. And first step, now you can either put the shoe tree in or remove the laces. For this one, I'm gonna grab our adjustable shoe tree. And what size is this? Size 11. So it's probably gonna be the 3rd one here. Insert it into the shoe. There we go. That's gonna allow me to do is apply more pressure to this toe box. And now we can remove the laces. Now that the laces are removed, let's go ahead and grab our bottle of solution and pour a couple squirts. Fam, maybe we need to open it first. Now, as always, we're gonna begin cleaning the uppers using the soft bristle brush. All right, guys, I went ahead and hit up the entire shoe with the soft brush, and as you can see, it cleaned up a lot, but there are still a few deep stains that I'm gonna go back over with the medium brush. Now, I did mention I have yet to clean this shoe, so I'm a little worried on how it's actually gonna clean up. But we get a lot of requests from you guys coming through customer service and in Instagram DMs, so we definitely wanted to take care of the shoe for you guys. Now, I'm gonna take the medium brush, get in these deeper, what do you call them? Stains?
I call them stains.
Stains, deeper stains in the netting material here. What is this material, Vic?
Off-white material.
I don't know what it is. But dirt tends to get trapped underneath it, guys. So I'm kind of curious to see if the washing machine will actually be able to flush it out. So hopefully we are able to do so. Vic said these are cleanable, but he also said I might not be the guy to be able to clean them up. So we'll see how it comes out, right? All right, let's go on to the medium brush. I am done hitting up the entire uppers with the medium brush. Now, it did help a little bit lighten up some of these stains. However, the shoe is still looking pretty garbage. Not that it helped any better, because honestly, I'm not a big fan of this shoe. See, Ken, thoughts on the Off-White 5 Sail colorway?
I love it.
You really like the shoe?
Yeah.
I like the black one better, personally. I think the black one matches more. I think it went well with my fit today. Huh? Right, Vic?
Black ones are the sickest.
See?
One of my favorite Off-Whites.
Black Off-White 5s are the best ones from the release, for sure. Miguel?
Black are better.
Outvoted here, C Ken. Sorry. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Yo, Jake, hit me with that audio from SpongeBob with the guy that said, gosh, this guy stinks. Now it's time to move on to the outsole, guys, with the stiff bristle brush. As I mentioned, these are gonna be put in the wash. And the outsoles actually don't look too bad, so it shouldn't take me too long, but let's go ahead and take care of them now. There you go, guys. I am done cleaning the entire shoe. It's time to put these in the washer along with the laces. See, Ken, hit me with the laundry bag. See, Ken, hit me with the laundry bag. Right here, here's your target mark, all right? We got this. Just don't waste your throw. Hit me with that laundry bag. No, that's it. We are not doing the toss, man. Look at, oh. The shoe, CK. The shoe. No. No. We're just putting it in the laundry bag at this point. Whoa. All right, let's go put these in the wash. All right, guys, we are back. I went ahead and let the shoe dry for 24 hours, and you can see these cleaned up amazing. However, still not the best Off-White 5. See, Ken, black one's still better. But to review, guys, I did have to wash this shoe a couple times. I'm not even gonna lie, this thing was disgustingly dirty that it did have to go into the wash twice. So just to review, I used a soft brush on the entire uppers, went back over it with the medium brush to get a deeper scrub, took care of the midsole with the medium brush as well, and of course the stiff brush for the outsole. Then I went ahead and put it in the wash, pulled it out, noticed that it was still dirty, did a deeper scrub, re-washed it, and now we're here today. But real quick, I do want to show you that there are still a couple stains. So see, Ken, if you want to go ahead and show them this toe cap here. As you can see, it's fairly faint. You can't see it too bad, but there are still some stains in the material. And then back here on this heel, and I really tried to get that out, but unfortunately it wasn't coming out. And of course here. But other than that, the rest of the shoe cleaned up really, really well. I'm really glad that I was able to clean it up. Now these can go ahead and head over to Many Worlds, our sneaker boutique, and be sold for a steal price for anyone who comes through the store or buys it online. Now remember, guys, the product I use in today's video is the Artist Series kit, which is limited edition. So make sure you head over to reshootinator.com right now and use promo code BUBBLES10 to save off of this kit. You definitely want to pick it up, guys, because this is the kit that comes with everything you're gonna need for a nice deep clean like you just seen here. But if you like today's video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I'm Johnny Bubbles. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.